In 1997, in Dalian Liaoning, a veteran who came from the mountains, with 9,000 yuan borrowed from relatives, he founded Gaosheng Machinery Manufacturing Co., Limited. He is Liu Weihua, the founder of Gaosheng in Dalian. At that time, no one believed he could succeed, but the light at home was always on for him. The unreserved support of his family became his most solid confidence. Without a factory, he produced in the rented factory. He moved the factory site 7 times a year at most, with 2 workers. Since then, Gaosheng Machinery was officially established. To open up the market, he visited all the grain and oil factories nearby. He finally signed the first order, the first oil equipment he created. It quickly won the recognition of customers and markets. But this was just survival. The real turning point was in 2009. Dalian Gaosheng took the lead in participating in the fair. At the international exhibition, he discovered the steam-ripened cornflake equipment. Gaosheng took out all his savings and decided to develop a steam-ripened cornflake line. In 2011, it was successfully built in Yongcheng, Shandong, and began to produce. This production line was at that time the first domestic steam-ripened cornflake production line. In the same year, Gaosheng wanted to win the 6 oil and grain production lines along the Yangtze River bid invitation project. Founder Liu Weihua visited COFCO 6 times. He finally won the project. When he learned that Gaosheng won the bid, he climbed Lushan Mountain in the light rain and shed tears of emotion at that moment. We were the breaker. Now 15 years have passed. Gaosheng's after-sales service team revisited COFCO. The equipment in COFCO is still running stably, and witnessed the durability of Gaosheng's equipment and stable and reliable quality. Liu Weihua also climbed Mount Lushan again. 15 years later, his mood is very different from before, but Lushan is still there. The equipment is still the same. Gaosheng's service is endless. With the support of quality and reputation, more and more customers find Gaosheng. Nowadays, Gaosheng's tablet press and embryo press equipment have been used in COFCO, Jusan, Xingshanju and other well-known domestic enterprises. From 9,000 yuan to now owning 66 patents. Superior equipment has spread all over the country. Not satisfied with domestic, he turned his attention to the world. He went to the US to see ranches, and Europe to see equipment. At international exhibitions, he confidently introduced Made in China to foreigners. Now the advanced equipment have been exported to more than 70 countries and regions. At home and abroad, he has built hundreds of steam-cooked cornflake production lines. As his business grows, he still keeps his original aspirations. He visited retired soldiers of the army, and has donated to poor students many times. During the epidemic in 2020, he led his employees to ensure production and donate materials. That's the backbone of the enterprise. He said that when the company grows bigger, it should share the burden for the country. From planning to completion, from manufacturing to intelligence, Dalian Gaosheng will continue to contribute to national food security. Tribute to every struggling Chinese entrepreneur.